Hey guys, it's Reese, welcome back to the channel. So, quick double score. They're both race winner cars from local Walmart store today. I'm really excited about both of them because this is my first ever Truck Series Toyota Tundra for my Truck Series NASCAR. Sorry, got a bit too excited and accidentally almost mispronounced the truck name, but fixed it just in time. The other one's a Ford Mustang, but not just any Ford Mustang, it's the Michael McDowell Daytona 500 champion winner car. That's Martin Truex Jr. Toyota Tundra from the Truck Series, and that's also a winner from the Pint Tees Truck Race on Dirt winner in Tennessee. The other one's Daytona Beach, Florida, obviously, because that's where the 500 races for the Cup Series. And then this one's in Tennessee for the Truck Series one. So yeah. It also tells you what cars are on the wave for this NASCAR series of new NASCAR diecast. So wave 12, well, not just wave 12, but every single wave of NASCAR, when you turn them around and look on the back, normally shows that there's 9 NASCARs in total. I'm not sure when this officially started, when you turn the back of the card of the NASCAR around, and you see all 9 of them there, and it tells you what the chase piece is, but I'm not sure when they started doing that for the NASCAR diecast cars. For the official ones, not the Hot Wheels or Matchbox ones. Anyways, I'm gonna open them right now. So there's the Toyota Tundra one. And now, time to unbox the Daytona 500 champion winner car. And there's the Michael McDowell Daytona 500 winner car. Well, the champion winner car, that is. Really glad I got it. So yeah, there's both new NASCAR diecast cars from 2021 Wave 12. Opened, unboxed from their cards. And there's the raced version card that goes with it. Yep, those are both cards with facts about the race on the back of them, actually. So now that's it for this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Bye everyone, thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day, and have a fantastic rest of your weekend. Bye. Thanks for watching.